Hello, welcome to ZOEZI number 7 with Eunice Hejeri. So let's start by breathing in to put oxygen in our bodies. So breathe in, out, again in, out, again in, out. Then we are going to breathe in and hold. Breathe in, out. Good. Now we are going to have our feet astride, a little bit astride. The left hand touches the right leg and vice versa. So we go 1, 2, good. Then one leg in front and we pull that foot so that we exercise the part of this part of the calf. Same with the other one. Perfect. Then a slow walk. Then we are going to move from side to side and exercise the shoulders like that. We do like that, so that we are exercising the shoulders. Okay, we go. In slow motion, then we do it faster. Slow walk from side to side. Slow walk. Then as we stand, we take our hands on the side. And I want us to exercise this bit, as also we work on the heart, like so. Slowly, then we do it fast. Slow walk. Now I want us to take a step on the side with our hands up. On slow motion first, then we do it faster. Something like that. So you go. Increase the speed now. Right. Now we are going to take 2 steps to that side, but we open our hands and close them so that we exercise these beats and the shoulders, even as we exercise our legs. So 2 steps that side to this side. Something like 1, 2, 1, 2. 2. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. In slow motion, then we do it faster. Join it with this one now. To strengthen our hearts and our lungs now. Taking in plenty of oxygen. Increasing blood circulation in the whole body. For better health. Remember, our health is our wealth. So work at it. Work at it. On, back. Slow walk. Then we are going to do fast kicks. So we go. My breathing is heavy. I don't know about yours. Slow walk. Now I want us to do this one like that, both legs for about 2 minutes or so. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. And the other side. That really exercises our hips, strengthening the legs from the hip area. And when we strengthen our bodies like that, we are also improving on our balance, which is very key. The other side. That is very nice. Let's go to the next one, which is, we are going to do skaters. Back skaters like that. We start with the slow ones, then we move to faster ones. Okay? Then faster. Today we are here working on our hips, strengthening them, the legs, the hands, and indeed the whole body. Wonderful. Great. We do knees up. We start with 2 first, with the right hand going to the right knee. Slowly, first. Let's go. Faster. Let's go to 4 now. Slow walk. Awesome. Okay, now we are going to move to the front with the skaters, sideways skaters, something like that. And then we come back with back strokes like that. Let me see. Go fast. Really fast. Slow walk. Slow walk. Get the legs apart and we bend backwards. So we go. Then we put our legs together and hands on our back and we bend, moving our hands downwards to the calves. Legs are straight, one in front, and still we exercise this bit. So that hand there, the other one on our knees, and we go slowly, exercising our knees so that they will not be making noise. Turn to the other side. Slow walk. Slow kicks. The heart rate has now come down. Slow walk. Then legs apart, and I want us to put our hands in between our legs and hold our toes like that. Hold it to as long as you can. You can do it for about 3 minutes. It really opens our hip area, strengthen our legs and our hands too. Perfect. Slow walk. And now I want us to work on our heads and legs. So legs together, hands on the side to the side. We turn our head to the left, then to the right. Then in front and backwards. Over the head. Very good for the neck. The other side. Move the neck from side to side. The other side. Perfect. We have really worked out our whole bodies, and that is enough for today. See you in our next video. Bye.